There have only been two milestone products in our industry: the Apple II in 1977 and the IBM PC in 1981. Today, 1 year after Lisa, we are introducing the third industry milestone product, Macintosh. Many of us have been working on Macintosh for over 2 years now, and it has turned out insanely great. And we are introducing Macintosh at a mainstream price point of $2,495. And you can go see a Macintosh in any one of our over 1,500 dealers in America today. I want to briefly cover some of the innovations in Macintosh. The first one is we've pulled Lisa technology down to a mainstream price point with its radical ease of use, mouse, windows, icons, pull-down menus, point, click, cut, and paste. We've managed to find a way to pull that down to a $2,495 price point. And Macintosh, to accomplish this, uses a 68,000 microprocessor, the same 32-bit microprocessor used in Lisa. It's necessary for Lisa technology, and it eats 8088s for breakfast. Macintosh comes with 192 bytes of memory. 64 bytes of ROM contains the entire operating system, the whole graphics foundation, and the entire user interface, all contained in ROM. There's 128 bytes of RAM. Just as the 5¼ floppy disk drive was an innovation in the 70s, the 3½-inch disk drive will be the disk of the 80s. It is far safer, and we're storing over 400 bytes of information on one side of a disk that can be put in your pocket. Macintosh comes with 2 built-in serial ports. They're RS-232, RS-422, and an incredible thing called Apple Bus Interconnect. Macintosh has 4-voice sound and speech built in. And it communicates with you on a high-definition, super crisp, bitmap 9-inch black and white screen, which has over twice the number of dots on its screen of any current generation personal computer. You have to see this display to believe it. It's incredible. And all of this power fits in a box that is 1/3 the size and weight of an IBM PC. And we're introducing a family of products with Macintosh: the image writer printer, an external disk drive, a modem, a numeric keypad, Macintosh carrying case, and a security kit so your Macintosh won't go anywhere without you. You've just seen some pictures of Macintosh. Now I'd like to show you Macintosh in person. All of the images you are about to see on the large screen will be generated by what's in that bag. lot of talking about Macintosh recently. But today, for the first time ever, I'd like to let Macintosh speak for itself.
Hello, I am Macintosh. It sure is great to get out of that bag. Unaccustomed as I am to public speaking, I'd like to share with you a maxim I thought of the first time I made an IBM mainframe. Never trust a computer you can't live. Obviously I can talk, but right now I'd like to sit back and listen. So it is with considerable pride that I introduce a man who's been like a father to me, Steve Jobs.
The team that developed Macintosh is sitting up here in the first 5 rows, and they must feel awfully good right now. Well, we've got a lot of stuff to get through. Macintosh is targeted at 2 primary markets. The first is the 25 million knowledge workers who sit behind desks, and particularly those in medium and small-sized businesses. And the second market is the college worker. We think that's the knowledge worker of tomorrow, and there are over 11 million college students in America alone. Now, the telephone was the first and only really desktop appliance, and we think Macintosh can become the second desktop appliance for these tens of millions of people. Because of the 235 people in America, only a fraction know how to use a computer. Macintosh is for the rest of us. And we need to communicate this message to those knowledge workers and college workers. And to do that, we are launching the largest advertising campaign in Apple's history, which will premiere on the Winter Olympics starting February 6th. And I'd like to show you 5 commercials now.
It's more sophisticated, yet less complicated. It's more powerful, yet less cumbersome. It can store vast amounts of yesterday, or tell you what's in store for tomorrow. It can draw a picture, or it can draw conclusions. It's a personal computer from Apple, and it's as easy to use as this. Macintosh, the computer for the rest of us. Introducing Macintosh. It does all the things you'd expect a personal computer to do. It does a lot of things you wouldn't expect a personal computer to do. And it does some things no other computer has ever done before. Of course, to do all this, you will have to learn to do this. Macintosh, the computer for the rest of us.